Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find accounts and backup. Let me show it to accounts and backup, and here we've got the Google Drive section connected with the backup. So let's tap on it and tap on next. We have to tap on add account to actually add our Google account to the device. If you've got one currently added, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to go through this operation. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and confirm everything and wait. In this section you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. And right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can tap on it and read it, and then tap on I agree after reading. Just choose the account you've just added, and here you can decide what kind of data you want to back up, so photos and videos or other device data. It's totally up to you. You can mark both. I will choose this one this time. So let's tap on confirm and tap on manage a backup. So right here we've got the backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here you've got backup details, so you can always check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some additional charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. Of course, confirm everything, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.